participating teams are Game 2, representing India, Game 3, Telangana, Game 4, Sri Lanka, Game 5, Punjab, Game 6, UK, Game 7, Uttar Pradesh.
Five teams are participating in that contest, in which Indian team is participating and carrying a lot of hopes, and they'll start their campaign from lane number 2. Lane number 3 and 4 are teams from Telangana and Sri Lanka, and Punjab and Uttar Pradesh team are participating from lane number 5 and 7. Keep your eyes on lane number 2, in which Indian team is participating, and we all hope that they will give their best performance and have a shot for best of the timings for the Olympics. India, Telangana, Sri Lanka and Punjab, lane number 2, 3, 4 and 5, and lane 7 is team from Uttar Pradesh. The shot of the gun, they all go clean start and fiery start from Uttar Pradesh there, and also team from India, as per the reputation, is doing very well there, as we are going for the first exchange, and team from India has first exchange has just taken place. Now it's a baton is in the hand of Hima Das. Actually, you can see now that they are running at a very good speed there, and team from India is virtually flying, and all the other teams are trying very hard to catch the pace and rhythm of team India, but they are now living up to the reputation. And team of India, you can see that they are clearly ahead from the rest of the field, and they are going for the final exchange of baton. Here you can see that now it's Duti Chand's time to show that they are going to get the best of the figures. Clock is ticking down. It's 36 seconds now. Duti Chand is running this at a fiery speed, and she is reaching toward the finishing line. What a speed that she got. Sri Lanka came second, and Telangana got the third position in that. Little wonder that India got the first position in that, but illustrious pack of 4 talented athletes of Team India, and how much time they got there, that's what we are waiting for the official confirmation from our officials. But here you can see with the blaze of the gun, they all go, and from the middle you can see the team of Sri Lanka is also doing very well there from teams from India, running at a very good speed there. And from here onwards, after the exchange of the first baton, they went from strength to strength. Here you can see that Mother is stretching the limits of all the athletes there. Here you can see team of Sri Lanka is also doing very well, trying to catch the pace and rhythm of Team India, but they are comfortably ahead. And once the battle reached into the hands of the last athlete of Team India, it was quite clear that they are going to be the winner of this one, and it was all about timing that they are going to get. And once we will get the timing, we are waiting for that. Here we have it. They touched 43.50 there, quite close to our national record. In fact, this is a new meet record. If I'll tell you, it's a new meet record. The previous meet record was in the name of team of Tamil Nadu that they made in Lucknow in